film that?
Yes, man.
I want to film you preparing it also.
Yeah, man. We'll carry all of that. I'll look after it up there.
Some of my hard-working friends, everything we do, them want to do. So you're going to meet some very good people, you understand? And when them come through, man, they like you don't want to say.
Yeah, man, you hook me up, man.
Good people. We only deal with good people. That's why I'm hanging with Chubby.
I don't think I'm going to be able to come in today. I'm feeling pretty under the weather. Thank you. Bye. Yes, with Detective Sim.
And Miss Sorrel Red Stripe, even though them not give me no money yet. And the skin himself, Lumber. D&G.
How'd you get back here?
I come for the money, you know, cause see, there's still not promoting the thing. I just call her and make them know. Give me a check, come.
I'll discuss on going.
Oh, yeah, I drink
I
from
want to know if you think there could be a serial killer running around LA. There are a lot of similarities in these cases.
Chris Kennedy. Sell my money, come.
So you not marriage number.
Well, let's see how you handle my lawyer when I sue you for slandering my sister. You told the media she was a prostitute. She was no such thing. She was just a kid.
You want to come into my office and we'll discuss this privately.
Oh, we're going to discuss it.
Okay, get her out of here. And don't let her come back in. My condolences for my loss.
And an official retraction.
Shot in the chest, 25 caliber bullet, lingering in a coma, not expected to move.
Give me a piece of your flippers, no? What's your name?
Marie.
Give me a tour. This is the jerk area. Oh, man. Oh, are you making fritters? You? See Jamaica, I see fritters there. Whoa, it tastes good. I go till I come back here. See if your fritters. Why not the pot?
Soup.
Eh? It ready?
Yeah.
What kind of soup?
Fish soup.
Fish soup? How much for this one?
At 120.
Let me get one now.
Driving all
Yes, cook.
They want to see me up a week up on the yard.
Uh-huh. Where do I get? We're coming here? Yeah, mom. What are you doing? Are you make the fritters? What's your name? KD and your global fritters now. The whole world know about your fritters now. So that is liquid there. What are you having there? Wash it down. Tell her thank you. Wicked. So we have one of your fritters. Wow. What's this? This is the onion? Wow. What's the name of this restaurant?
Look at all the people restaurant.
You ever take bus?
That's not right.
No.
No.
I think I go just. It was a good run. And everybody said, good work, Randy, keep doing it. My little savings. Max up my credit card. Can't even afford. Eat a little washy. When I see the $42 food, I say no, can't do it. Because I need gas money. I need to get a car, I can't get a car, I have to budget with people. But the people I'm still in the yard and say, Randy, you said good, David, so love it. We love it, you know. I said, we love it, you say. Them don't know. And then you have to just tell them, say, look, man. All in this season, we just start off and I feel it. I feel the pinch already. You know, ship down barrel. So we just tell Jamaicans say no, it's not cheap. It's not cheap. Travel, gas, food. And every time you meet a crew, food for them. You know, shelter. The first thing you have to know about gas for the family where you stay.
Yeah.
You can't eat people food all around them water and then light. You have to give them something. What if Chubby never put me up? How me can stay in Jamaica for a month?
Can't afford it. I work at travel every day.
Travel?
And when you make video for you 16 hours a day, you have to eat.
Then me have to eat. So then want me come down here and eat sardine.
And guess what, now, more time, if we're in a position, we still have to find somebody to cook because amount of time, we don't have no time to even cook for ourselves.
So Lambert, your life this.
Yes, man. I've been there, done that. Don't even go there. If you want to start over clean with me. And that's me.
Lambert, deal with it.
If it was an older woman now, she could trick me. You understand? But not she. I would not allow that. I would be stupid to allow that.
No,
you've been through those things already. Every
Yeah,
trick you come
yeah,
in,
yeah.
you're supposed to be see it from a distance. So if you can't pick it up, you're dumb.
You're dumb.
You're dumb, man.
You don't learn no lesson.
And let me tell you, they don't trick me. Not since I've been here. No, sir. I'll keep my head on my body, man. What happened?
I reckon, you know.
What do you want?
Get some more time,
Yeah, yes, no, green. I bet it's not leave. I want to leave. You know, say if we decide to cook by now, the pot come off the fire.
Hello.
Long time.
Hello, sir.
That quick?
I fish no man.
No time. Steam it, fry it.
So the restaurant, that's super good.
Huh?
That's super good.
Yeah, man, it's expensive though. Well, you can make another recipe.
12 figures, man. You rob me, man. Me never say you rob me. Me never say that. So what is it? Me did 12 figures. Come. No, rob my man. No, me never say that. You never rob me yet. So what you say?
Hello? What money are you? Chef.
Sorry.
Yeah, do that. Grind him. Grind him. Put that in the spot.
I don't want to hear that. Everybody, old people. I want to pay this money. Hey, you don't know fish head there? No big fish head.
32.
Hey, we are ready in 2 minutes. You know.
So you want me to get up then? Where is he then? Where? You just tricked me. I trick you just trick me, you know? Yo, I trick the boy, trick me, you know, right?
Yeah?
Look for this little boy I just working here from
What
me.
him say?
I tell him, say, me sit down for that, him I tell me, say, yo, I don't see that, you know? That is not a seat. I say, where is it? They say, see it over there, so. As we get up off it, he take it up and sit down for me and laugh after me.
I'm smart, man.
So you're good, though? They say you just go and play and enjoy yourself, don't? I mean, give me a 5. You not give me a 5? Eh? So you leave me hanging like that? Yes. Eh? Alright, you see I'm beg for you when he may not take you up and me say, yo, put him down. I know you're not even give me a 5 and I mean help you. Yeah, remember when the Ras take you up and me I said, no man, put him down man, he must start. I him that go for Europe.
Me tie up hog, you know?
I him man.
And you look like a liquor hog. No, no, man, go for the rope. No, go for the rope, Charlie. Go for the rope.
No, sir, I don't want to eat. Me and my friend, I don't go for no rope females like a female place. Hello.
Go for the rope. Me go tie up your foot first. Then, I go tie up your hand.
Yo, I want to find like he does have a imagination. You see?
Then I go just throw your rope over the tree. And call the bees them for come bite you. You ever get stung by bees? Yeah? How about what? Where is it?
Don't be surprised you see me down there Sunday night. Come in. You ready for the scanner back to put them in now? We're going to roll out.
No bag, no double.
We don't want to take you, we want to take you.
Oh, yes, mom. Oh.
We don't want to take you, we want to take you. You take like you don't want to come? Eh? Are you mad at this? No. Yeah, me I leave. Mommy, me I'll catch up with you here. Alright. I will never be up so hard on you.
No, man, up so
No, international if you wasn't before. People will come.
Oh, yeah, that'd be happy.
Yeah. Give me the number again.
481-0073.
That's 876 area code.
Yeah.
481-0073. Come cook right there, sir. With the fish, lobster come, the best in Jamaica.
Yeah, man, fresh on the sea.
Do you have a cook or are you?
Me cook and ask me cook is right there.
Respect, sir. The whole world I could come through. Alligator Pond, right?
Yeah.
Alright, see the rope here. Boom! I could give him $1, so I'm going to buy something. I'm going to get some money, alright? Where is it? Wait, whoa, I shouldn't even give you none now. I shouldn't even give you none.
Thanks, sir.
Alright, yo, you see where you would have gone up there, if you come up there, I big on that you would have get. If you come in. Alright, if you carry man and come. Yeah, man, if you come up there, go chill one week or so. Eh? You know, come and set up. I set up like me and if you come. Yeah, move you bright. Alright, sir.
Alright, take care, yeah?
Tell him about that.
How much is that in your hand?
Little man.
You don't know money, boy.
No, take it for your job. Tell him say if you send one of the things. If you send one of the... No, not the laptop.
No, you're not getting unless you come up. Come with me. Jump in the van and come. Me have a whole for clothes up here and something up here myself. Come with me. Come. What do you mean by no one for me? So this man is your friend then? That man is, yes, that man is your
Let me know what we matter. This is the palm of the market. Yeah, man.
I'm friend, man.
Yeah, man.
So we are going to head up here.
Yeah, man.
Dion, respect, sir.
Respect, brother.
Best in the world.
You're supposed to see me Sunday evening.
Call him, man.
Oh, you pull up one at a time.
All you mark the place.
Me now forget this place, man.
Alligator Pond, right? Sea View. What the hotel name? Sea View.
This right here?
No, man. Which part of the come from?
Oh.
Alright. So then they will come back.
Okay. Yeah, man.
It's Uncle Joe.
Yeah, man.
Listen.
I have some. I play place I know, man.
Go ahead, put it. You're good to go there. Yeah, man.
Alright?
Okay, then nice, man.
Respect, love.
Yeah, man. Love all this. Get out here. Yes, man.
lots of good movements. Today was a blessed day.
Yeah.
You like where you get?
The fish them down that's expensive though. Jesus Christ, it's so much lobster. $4,200.
Wow.
One plate of
Wow.
lobster, that's way out of line.
And that's way out of line, Virgin.
Way out of line.
And them catch it free from the sea.
You know, that's
That
why
is way out of line, Chubby.
I don't go there and buy
Imagine a tourist come in
Because tourists, they might look funny like a tourist, so look funny that
and you don't have no,
$40.
you don't have no connections.
I eat lobster tail that you know. When we buy the other day, you know, eat for $4,500.
Eh?
Eat lobster tail, we get the tail of the lobster. Yeah,
When was that?
My cousins then come from America couple weeks
And you
ago.
came down here and bought it?
Right there, we bought them over there and bring them here and cook.
Yeah?
And
For $40.
it would be $40 US. Then. Eat lobster tail.
Eat.
Eat of them. And let me tell you,
This is why you guys have to
I see one
visit.
plate of them.
Oh, you cook that?
Yeah, I know. He did the cooking today.
So you better for eat yes at the restaurant.
They're not better. That's why I tell you, so me come here. Alright, look how much dollar worth of fish that.
Wow.
How much dollar worth of fish that, you know?
Like $24.
Okay, and this meat is lobster meat. I mean,
800.
Me tell him, $1,200, and give me $1,200 for this lobster meat. Right
That's
here.
like near $10 for
Alright.
all of that lobster
For
meat.
all of that lobster
That's
meat.
crazy.
And you go down there, say they give one lobster cut
For
in half
$40.
for $4,500.
Oh, jeez. Jamaica, you see this? What you
How much you
listen?
charge for the bami?
Jamaica, let me see if I can explain this to you. If you want fish in Jamaica, go to Alligator Pond. If you have to rent a car,
Yes, man.
load up your thing with Lambert friend
And
and get the lobster. Don't even get the lobster. Just get $1,200 worth of the meat.
Yeah, the meat.
Ah, Lambert, tell her the secret.
And if you're gonna get lobster, if you have somebody can cook it, it's better off for you because
If somebody can cook it, and then go on. Then you have Nick who can cook it.
yeah, man. You go there and man, you sell the lobster and cook the lobster for you. You give him $500 to cook the lobster. You eat until you have trash on your tongue. You cry the lobster. Then you go to the regular restaurant, man. They bleed you.
Like lobster is gold.
See the price they have on the table. I mean, you don't want to be mean, but man, I got just right
Look at that
one
price.
lobster,
I said, wait a minute.
$4,200.
Come on.
Oh God, man, that's way out of line.
No, man. That's not
The
cool.
last time I ate at the place was 2008.
Just search Google for Alligator Pond Primary School,
Yeah.
and you're there.
There.
Alligator Pond Primary School. Google will find those schools and the map on for police station and thing. That's how you get around Jamaica. Just search for a school nearby.
Yeah.
But wow, this looks beautiful, man. The way that wow. I saw $40 for the lobster. I said no. I said 32. I said no.
Fish, yeah,
I said no. Even if I was a millionaire, I would cry.
No, man,
I would just go buy everything from the boatman and hire man, cook light, and sell it right there for cheap in front
it's too
of
much
it.
money, man. It's just in
You know
there.
what I said? Just have a just fry everything and open the back of your Jeep and
I
just sell it.
the name of the place, you know, you have to pay for
Yeah,
it.
little Ochi.
Yeah, man. You
That's
have
not
to pay.
Ochi.
You have to pay for the name of the place.
He make you tight, you know?
If you make it,
Yeah, when you come there sometimes, you can't, alcohol weekend,
Yeah,
you
man.
can't get in.
and they have festival over
Yeah, I talk about every week, you know.
when they have the seafood fest down there, you know, car park too out here, so you know. Nobody don't care can go in. So when
Just for that restaurant there?
Just for that restaurant. And they have the show, they have the DJs and everything at the night and the singers them and the dancers.
Just for that show there. Just for that restaurant there.
So when me do, you know, me get up early in the morning and me leave out 5 o'clock. And me come down and me go right to Ian right in the yard and me park my vehicle right there.
Okay.
And me now go home until the following morning.
Okay,
eat,
now what's the
cook,
seafood
sleep,
fest?
eat everything.
That them just, but the prices are expensive or cheap?
Expensive, you know. It's expensive.
So it's just a vibration.
Yeah, that's all about it.
You pay in Jamaica for vibration, but you bet.
Huh? No, me have one yard where my virgin kill crash, you know. I mean, just buy it and put it down in the yard if you get parts off of it. So why you want to sell that?
I sell it, I want different vehicle. I bring.
Oh, okay. All right, cool. All right. 469 25 95. All right.
We'll get that chubby, don't worry. How much for that you think?
Not enough money for that now.
How much that would have run?
Maybe about $1,800,000, $2 million.
20,000.
And you see, the funny thing about it, in America you get that for maybe about $3,000.
Yeah?
Yep.
But
So these are old vehicle, you know, but you see in Jamaica, totally different.
so now, can you bring it if it's too old in the year? You can't bring
You
it
can't
down.
bring it. I think it has to be 4 years old.
If I make my uncle bring something down there.
Yeah, man, 4 years old and you're good.
Because any van, whatever, them can fix it, so it's good.
You're good, man.
But you just drive it to a certain place because the gas kill you.
Yeah, the gas kill you, and it depends on how you do the gas, you know. Because if your vehicle, this big van running good, you know what I mean? Because look on the distance video and they put $4,000 gas in it and see it's still a quarter tank in it. And quarter tank in this year be clear enough gas because the tank is big like that. Yeah, man, big tank, man.
Depends on your pressure, man.
Is it true?
Depends on your pressure.
Yeah. You can drive it on 4 or you can drive it on 6, you know. And you can
Okay.
drive it on 8.
You
Depends on how
choose.
much pressure you put on it.
Okay, so it's the pressure of the pedal change the
Yeah,
different.
because you hear it change, you know.
Yeah, kick in.
Yeah, kick in.
So something like this we have to get trouble, no doubt about it.
Man, if you're there on a straight road, you can't burn it out, man. Nah, move fast, you know. Nah. But me love driving come on Alligator Pond, and the reason is because of the road.
Yeah.
You see, this vehicle, I saw it run. You know, run and jump and go. It just run like this. So anything you go up on any bump, it just go boom, 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 and go over it, you know. Because this road is real bad.
Yes,
know,
very
but-
bad.
but if you
And to
notice-
think
Yeah.
you have Jamaica something else, man. They're not capitalized on what them have.
No, sir. This road here, let me tell you, you see the past
one of the
30 years
worst
and they never scraped this road.
One of the worst roads.
This man. I know
Because
it
if you
doesn't
have
go
a
to fishing
car,
village.
man, if you did have a car and I come through this,
No, I hell you meet, man. When you go back up, every rubber's gone.
wow. So,
And this is a fish village.
so that's a bad investment. All the minibus here get nyam up.
No most. Every rubber bus up on night, man.
So Jamaica, learn this. Get 2 vehicles.
Come on, get the SR.
$4,000, but get a van for come from Prime. Get a cheap little car with good pan gas.
Yes.
That's it. No get.
Millions of tourists come down here saying now.
Millions.
Yeah, man, and look on the road. If you fix the road, man. And they would have good view, but the fisher people they become where they would have get more business. A lot of people not taking this road because the road is bad. It's real bad. If you're in a truck like this and you feel it a bump like that, you imagine in a car. You should be tired. The rubbers in your vehicle, man, you put your home like that.
How do you find driving on the little roads are no problem because everybody they're very courteous.
Yeah, man. Most of them when they come on a blind corner like this, they expect a vehicle on there, so they hold the corner as close as you can.
Okay.
And if you hold the corner as close as you can, no matter what, you will pass. You know, but if you don't hold the corner, then you're gonna touch. That's where the problem comes in now.
If you hold your corners, that's a good one.
You have to hold your corner.
If you hold your corners as close as you are, Chubby.
Yes.
Is
you're
that the
right.
second split, Chubby? This is like 3 for the morning already, bro.
You know which man
I don't burn none of
Chubby,
this.
you gotta cut back, Chubby. The fans are gonna say, Chubby, you gotta cut back. They're gonna say, Chubby. No, you're working for the fans now, you know.
Fans gonna know that, yo, this is a Rasta man. Ready to burn your weed.
Majority of the foreigners, they come out here, they come over here one thing, you know. Two things. Is either to rent a man,
This is
rent a dread,
let me tell you
or
something.
get some good
This is
smoke.
the worst Rasta man I've ever hung out with. You know why? Me a Rasta and Chubby never say see how we there.
I don't know say he's a man who born in pipe, him not even the reason.
Oh, okay.
And him a feel special time when he born feel penny, you know?
Alright,
You see when him a work, him know him done work.
Now so over there. Alright, man. You see me alright when I play
You know
now.
bother him with none of that, you understand?
Alright, sir.
Yeah, just go and do my work and hold my medicine all day.
Alright.
Him rather just
Him have a meditation to do one day and me at work.
Yeah, boy. No, me have a whole You go there, medic. Come on, medic.
When the daylight run off for work, he might want to meditate. Talk about this man.
But you know what's a rasta around?
Yes.
Second split for you there. 1 9 man and at 12 o'clock now I want to dinner. Lunch breakfast and dinner.
Last night I was about 10:30, me roll up one, you know. I'm going to tell you, yo, it's a good thing me did bathe before. Because if me never bathe before, after me roll up at the 1 in the morning, and now I wouldn't even take a shower. You believe me? See, I born one last night, man, I'm on the phone there, I'm going to tell you.
You never sleep night, you never sleep good, you know?
The relaxation come over me, man, is unbelievable.
Yeah, man.
Is this the third one, Chubby? Should be a kiss, Randy. This is the third one.
Third one.
Them babes to the flame. You know, when we do these shows, a lot of people hang out with you, you know. We tend to meet very special people.
Yeah.
And you're a special star. When you go back, you have your you got your Comcast or do you have your big screen TV?
Yep.
Is it connected to the internet? So you can do like YouTube on it?
Yep.
So we're going to pop up one of our shows and show you. Because you see, when people start, you're going to walk around, man. Lambert, me see you on YouTube. Lambert. We never know Lambert.
Yeah, you're going to have fun and pull up on the street.
Yo, Lambert, you're big, you know? My lad, yes, big up yourself.
Yep.
I say if you do it, don't want them. Lambert have no fear. He have no care. Man, I come from, where you say you come from? Walton Farm?
Waterhouse.
Waterhouse, 8 years. That man is not really afraid of
I'm
that.
afraid of that, man. Whatever I am, man. We reach the age of the good side. We don't worry about
Let me see something with that thing that you have in your hand. What?
freelance.
You see them young youth that I was going to them a bad man. Them don't understand what bad man is.
Chucky boy.
Trying to catch the hillside.
Yeah, it's the chubby smoke I work. Chubby smart and chubby say, yeah man, I come work with you Randy. I go just watch you and smoke. Yes, look here. Today. We started off, about life and discipline and your father. We started off with mortgage, land ownership.
Yep.
We talked about homes and setting a date to leave the States.
Yep.
And purchasing things at the flea market to prepare yourself.
Right.
What about vehicles? Teach them about vehicle purchase and the type of vehicle. What do you recommend?
Well, I wouldn't even recommend a special vehicle for people, because the thing about it, everybody like different vehicles. When I went to buy this vehicle to come home, this wasn't the vehicle that I really want. What I did want was a BMW 745. It's one of the fat ones. But when I went to buy the one that I saw on the lot, and I really love it, was a coupe, two-door coupe. Because I drive mostly old vehicles in America. So I figure more or less I'm coming home, I want to drive something really nice. So what I did go ahead and decide that I'm gonna purchase a 745 BMW. Never work out because the one I see on the lot, the man says it's already sold. And so he tell me, you going home and here? He say, oh, you need to get a truck, man. You don't need to get a thing like that. And I'm like, no, I need something nice and flashy when I go home. And he say, I don't have it in stock right now. So I just decided, he told me, go and take a ride in the truck and say fee. Ride the truck, like the truck, the way the truck fee. And I bought the truck. And that was one of the best decisions as I told you before I made. You know, I got this truck 10 years in Jamaica right now, and I never changed a starter in it. I never changed an alternator in it. I changed the transmission in it. Transmission went. Very expensive. Put it together. Now it runs like a brand new vehicle again.
I see.
And this vehicle gonna stay with me until I die. I don't intend to buy another truck. But you know, I would buy another car. I bought a car and leave it in Jamaica for 20 odd years ago, and that car is still up running. Need some work now. But everybody have different feelings. Some people come home and say they want an SUV, some say they want a Benz, some say they want a Lexus. You know, it's the way, it's what you feel comfortable with, what your heart desire. You just go with it. It's your retirement, you know, and you work for it. So you should go ahead and buy it. You know, you have some people buy $8, $9 million vehicle. That's what they can afford. There's nothing wrong with it. You should buy it, you know. They have nice vehicle coming from Japan over here. I wouldn't recommend nobody to buy vehicles coming from Japan because the body is not up to the standard that it's supposed to be. In Jamaica, you got a lot of accidents and people dying. To me, I don't think it's fast driving because people don't drive fast like in America. But what happens is that the vehicle is not built with the resistance that it's supposed to build with. And the government do not monitor the vehicles that come in the country. So here it is, you can have these Chinese or these Japanese come in this small like third world, buy all this scrap iron, melt it up, build a car, but when you take your finger and squeeze it, the body goes straight in. How can you buy a car traveling 65, 70 miles an hour, when you crash, the engine fall over you and the car just shell, just disintegrate pieces, completely pieces all over. The person inside it must dead.
Yes, sir.
Yeah? And if his life, the destiny is for him to dead in that car accident, the other person will beside it, he gonna live for the rest of his life, maybe as a handicap, because the car don't have no resistance when it crash. The body frame is not up to standard the way it's supposed to be, and the government still raising all the tickets for when you get into accident. Oh, you're reckless driving, charging these people, this, that. But they never look at it and say, listen, give me 10 of those brand new car and we're gonna go a test crash with it. All right? Tell me how fast this car traveling, if this car traveling 80 miles an hour, what the impact is supposed to have. So you put a manicure in it, like a dummy, and send it into a wall, and you see what happens. That's what really happening. You know, people, you can't stop people from driving fast. They ain't gonna do that. So the car that they're driving into, the government should come in and say, listen, you can't send this car inside here. If you take your finger and squeeze it, you got a dent in it. So when you get into an accident, what happens? You don't got no resistance. Everybody inside is gonna get either hurt or dead, and that's the end of it. You have American vehicle, you know, and you crash into a brand new Japanese vehicle, you know. Let me tell you, you find a little damage in there when you look at the Japanese vehicle is right off. And that's why I love American vehicle, because it's up to standard. If you get an accident, then your life is in the hands of what? A vehicle that in your hands, your life is in your hand, but the vehicle that you get into the accident with is not up to the standard that it's supposed to be. And if your destiny is not to be your life ended in that accident, you're gonna suffer the consequences. Your 2 foot gonna break up and your 2 hand gonna break up, and you have to just bear with it until you come back, if you ever come back. You understand? So It's not the big people them driving crazy over here. I mean, you got reckless drivers over here, yes, but it's the vehicles, you know. So I would advise anybody, pay the money and carry yourself a vehicle from overseas.
Okay.
It might be expensive to work on. You have to go search and find a good mechanic to work on it. And the good mechanics, they are here in Jamaica. Because the one that I have, very excellent mechanic. Trust me. You know? And I got to wait 3 months before he could touch my vehicle.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? And he will tell you plain and say the vehicle that they make in Japan is all problems. They're pretty, yes, but they are all problems. They put in computers into the transmission. Now when you put computers in the transmission and you don't put a good cooling system, what happens is that the computers roast.
Mm-hmm.
And when the computer roasts, you know what happened? This is one of my good jerk spots. Mm-hmm. This is my friend who owns this jerk center right here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're going to spend a minute and then we're going to go on.
What's the name of this place?
Prospect.
Prospect
in Manchester.
in Manchester.
Not Mount Prospect, but Prospect.
So it seems like Manchester people are some together people.
I think down this side is more together more than up on the hill.
Yeah.
Up on the hill, they're not too friendly, but down here, everybody stick together. It's like if one head hurt them, everybody head hurt them, you know?
Okay.
They're very much family oriented down here. They look out for each other, you know?
Wow. That's one thing about Jamaicans though. When they stick together,
Yep, they're good man.
they stick together. Good, 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 good. So life is good
Yep.
in Jamaica. So in Jamaica, what give me a location of one of the best your favorite places as far as waterfronts, beaches, or restaurants?
Anywhere in the North Coast. It's better on the North Coast because they got to cater for the tourists.
Yeah.
And when they cater for the tourists, then you find out that they have to have everything up to the standard,
Yes.
the high standard. You know?
Yes.
When like down here, anything goes.
Yes.
The tourists will just come and accept it. Over in the North Coast, they ain't gonna accept it. They want to, if they're gonna eat fish, they want the fish to be presented to them in a clean, straight environment. Down here, we like, yo, they serve me the fish, young man. Let me eat the fish. You know what I mean? So, North Coast will do the best. You have to have money to be at the North Coast because everything they deal with you like is American.
Yes.
And if you live in Jamaica, you can't. If you are going away for vacation, then that's different. Then you can live like American.
Mm-hmm.
But if you just say you're gonna go over there for a weekend, you have to be careful what you're doing.
Yeah.
When you come to money spending. When you go over there, a hotel room is $100 a night.
Yes, yes, yes. I know.
So you can come down here and maybe get one hotel room for maybe $20 a night. You know? So it's a total different thing.
Yes.
Living in the country here, it's much cheaper. Better liberty, less stress, and you have stress everywhere. Better environment, better everything. It's just like if you live in New York, you know, everything is expensive. But if you live in Albany, New York, you know, it's cheaper to live up there.
What's this area called?
That's what the rest of our job is called? Pepper.
Pepper.
Look at the patrol, you see that?
Yes, yes.
That pass your rim and you're tired.
Yes. Police.
You go left here in Black River.
If you can left, you go down to Black River, Santa Cruz, Black River. You go Santa Cruz, then Black River.
Okay. Most of the time, the temperature is about this.
Yes, yes, you find it always hot under the hill here. And you see the sun come over and it ain't got no air. come in this section here going over because of the hill. But as soon as you reach on the top, you'll feel that nice school here. That's Manchester. You're at the top of Manchester. You're at the top of the hill. Now down here is Manchester, you know, but you're down at the level. So
Yes.
all that cool here that's going over the hill right now. I guarantee you in the next maybe in the next 5 years, the whole of this hill they're gonna build out the houses. Because everybody wants the view.
And do they have running water?
They build catchment. They build tank or they have drums.
Okay.
Black drums. They're utilizing the black drums nowadays. There are 4 or 5 of them. They hold up to how much? About 1,000 gallons of water each. If you have 5 of them, you have 5,000 gallons of water. Or maybe more.
What time is it, Chubb? I guess we could bring you some sour orange. So, Mr. Lambert, what do you say to if you were 22 and you went to the States at your age? How would you come back home? Would you get married in the States?
No.
You wouldn't.
No.
Would you purchase a home?
No.
So to do it differently, you will just work, stay in a little apartment,
Stay at the
enjoy the scenery of America, but spend your money back home to buy land. Land first.
Yes. Or maybe you could do better, you know. You could go ahead and buy land and build apartments on it, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because that's going good over here. You got Jamaica developed so much that you have so much different jobs now. Back then, you know, all you go to school here, you got to be a police, a lawyer, or a doctor. You understand? Your parents don't have it to put you to a school like that for lawyer and doctor.
Mm-hmm.
You know? So what happened is that now, what you do is that you...
Was that our guy?
Yeah.
That was our guy.
Yeah, that's our guy right there. We're going back up.
Oh, the soup is done.
But we don't want to fool our belly too much.
Ah.
Always said we,
You know, Chubby craving, you know.
keep the belly empty.
I'm my belly, I'm me craving everything. My God, say I'm not a millionaire, because let me tell you, me would be a fat millionaire to reality. Sometimes you see the rich movie star, them and them get fat, you know, and the money, you know. Everywhere you go,
The money.
You can't afford what you want.
everything you want is. Sometimes,
People start getting too much free thing.
yeah.
And it look like the best as you put on weight for you, you know. As long as you thought you have the best, you start to get fat. You see when you do Jamaica, you depend on one level, as soon as you go for it and step up with
Yes,
food,
yes, yes.
you see your body, it's start develop.
Yes. One thing I like about Jamaicans, they're some of them nice size, you know, the sun burned it off.
Yeah.
And you know, the sun burns it off. You don't have to stress out the thing. But after going to Africa, now coming back to Jamaica, taking the tour.
Yeah.
No, man. I always say when I'm filming to people, did you see anybody got shot today? You see anybody steal anything from anybody today? Everybody's going about their business, living your life. So
This is the deadly corner in Manchester.
it's done right here.
A lot of people go right over there. Anybody go over there dead because it's about 80 feet drop over there.
And they've never,
Build that bigger one.
Yeah.
they know the information, they know the record,
Yeah, man.
but
It's a great spiritual hill right here.
they've never secured it.
Never, I don't think they secure it properly. Because the wood on that side should have a double wall come straight up.
And some barrels of water.
Yeah. We're in Spiritual Hill now. Here used to be the most popular drug center. Still the most popular drug center.
When you were growing up, did you spend time with any other of the elders, except for your father?
My grandma.
Your grandma?
Yeah. My grandma was my safe haven. She saved me from a lot of whipping. And I give trouble, I just run over my grandma and my daddy couldn't come over there. He come over there, he's like, Raphael, go back to your yard. I just come to look for you, mama. Ma, he said, go back to your yard. I know who you come for Lambert. You ain't coming over tonight. My grandma knows me, I'll get a whipping, you know. I trouble me, give I used to be run come over there. I'm sitting right beside her in the old kitchen, a shingle house, wood fire. And I'm right under grandma. Sometimes I make, if grandma get up on the fireside and go down there, me sit down at the fireside and then grandma come in and lock me in. Papa can't get me. He can't touch me when grandma did it. So when time grandma, the first time I ever drunk, you know, when my grandmother did in 1970, about 79, you know. And I got to drink because I know my safe haven is all over and done. Grandma did. Now we go.
Shit.
Daddy come for you. Daddy now have to come over here for you because you know no grandma to go to no more. What going on with you?
Good man.
Eh?
I wish me I go and go look so I was sitting if you come on.
Eh?
You're good man.
How much you got now? About 14?
Near there.
Jesus, because you
We are
got...
going to story, you know, because there's some shot up here.
Eh?
How yourself, man?
Alright. Everything good. Alright. Alright.
That man is a farmer.
Yeah, he raised cows.
He started off small.
Yo, you got an ID?
I'm going to put him top of my house now. I'm doing the thing.
How much it is? Here. Culinary is £1, you know. Then a bit of makeup, a bit of money. Okay, good job. I eat that. Thank you. For sure. It's all cover up. Thank you.
Oh, you see an Australian?
Yeah? You don't get that?
You never make a call now.
Why not come on the one with cars? You know, I don't know.
Sorry, right here?
Yeah.
No, but no okra.
See okra there.
That's $100 okra for $100. I know I take a bag, watch. Miss, I take a bag here. I two this year. It's good to see.
You want change?
Yeah. What do you need again? That's it.
Chili pepper?
No, we got carrot, we got Irish potato. We want some piece of ginger.
The ginger there.
One piece of fish. How much is this? How much a pound? I ask you how much a pound for the ginger. If Mrs. said better, I buy a pound of ginger, I buy a pound of ginger. I ask you how much a pound for ginger. If this was $50, how much a pound for ginger?
Come over, sir.
How much a pound for ginger? $300. Give me half a pound of ginger.
I know fear load. It's not fear load, that's why.
Then if you don't know what to do, half pound, quarter pound, anything like that. I think I'm saying how much I am feeling good. So, dead farmer. How much was that here?
3/4 pound.
You know what?
Yeah, the half pound.
Like a one. A half pound is, how much a pound that? A 115 I use the ginger pine. I mean, really, how much is that?
That's like the half pound.
That's like a half pound. Is there a quarter pound?
Give me $100.
Then this no better more than than 50.
Sorry.
What do I? Skin and time, man. So, pop
Up to you. Them look good. How will sell?
Who sell the pop chow?
$100.
Look what? Oh, okay. $100, how that look? Huh?
No, color. When you see everybody are doing anything there on the night and you can't manage.
Yeah, I mean, scale.
It's still on there.
If you are ready.
Ready?
You want scale?
One on sweet potato, one on Irish, nine on carrots.
No, we have. Yeah, it's good. How much a pound? 100.
Mama, na debo ito.
How your skin looks so weak?
Why not come marry come here? A page I am breeze around down there.
I look at my partner, Alligator Pond and pass his skin. How much would you give me?
I don't know how much you want. $200 scale.
No, so $100 for one cooking and sometimes it's $100. Sorry.
Marie, Mister.
Just to buy the greens. To go ready to go start the cooking, you know. So just come from the market. Let's see. Lambert, I get ready to go shell the place. Bongo. So you say I want what up on the menu?
Got fish, and got fish, lobster, pop chow, carrot, mixed vegetable, chocho.
Straight wood fire.
Straight wood fire, can. I'm going to line up, get bung on track. We'll get steamed fish tonight. Lobster mixed vegetable. Yum. Some crackers. Okra. Aye. Oh, set up with it. Good food in Jamaica. It's actually ackee and catfish for the national dish and put steamed fish and okra, you know, and crackers. Because steamed fish and okra and crackers eat more ackee and catfish. Enjoyable. Put it like this, not cook more, but enjoyable more than ackee and catfish. Everybody watch the salt, you know. But you can order the fish and what you can do is this, tell you exactly how you want the fish and you cook the fish exactly how they want, you know. But the ackee and catfish, you have to spend time on the catfish to get out the salt out there. So you have to look how much work they do them at the house there. You have over here for a minute?
Yeah, let's take up.
Fine with them, my man there.